Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. You are watching Two Youths Transplanted. Today's video is a Halloween project share. Items we used for this project were a skeleton garland from the Dollar General for $1, 2 apple barrel paints, and an orange marker, and some kind of wood block or sign.
Okay, so we're just quickly going to show you what we did here. We're not going to do a total DIY on it because it's pretty self-explanatory and we wouldn't want to waste too much of your time showing you that. So we're just going to show you what we did. We took a wood sign that we had that was a long wood sign and just painted over it. And we used that apple barrel pavement if anybody's interested in the color. And we also used the antique white as for the lettering, and then Mama went ahead over the lettering and put polka dots and stripes with that orange marker, and we thought that looked really cute and whimsical. And we glued this little guy holding his ears, and he goes with the saying, "Hear no evil," and then this one is
Holding his
"See
eyes.
no evil," and he's got his little leg crossed, and then this guy is "Speak no evil." And we just put those little jack-o'-lanterns that we had. They were regular little pumpkins, and we just used a black Sharpie and put jack-o'-lantern faces on them. And we just think they came out really cute and whimsical, and that's the kind of Halloween decor we like. We don't like anything scary or anything too much over the top. So we just thought these were really fun, and they made us laugh. So we thought maybe they would make y'all laugh too. So we hope you enjoyed this project, and we hope that you will join us for our next video because we should have another one coming out shortly again. And we thank you guys for watching. Remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
Have a great day, guys.
Bye.